Making pizza for me is something that goes beyond the simple mixing of water and flour. It's a kind of meditation, a moment in which you take care of yourself and in some way of others. By choosing the best ingredients with love, eating with passion, eating for pleasure. That's why making pizza for Italians is important, because pizza brings people together, brings happiness to adults and joy to children. But behind a simple dish like pizza there is a study, practice and passion. This is why I created this course in which I will explain how fermentation works, the role of yeast and its relationship with temperature. We will make the dough together and I will show you how to best use your home oven so as to get a soft and tasty pizza. I'm so happy to bring my Italian background, my educational love for pizza to you. My name is Marco, welcome to my class.